Hey friends, we are unboxing this Lucid mattress encasement protector. Encasement protector. Okay, mattress encasement. It's a protector for the mattress as well. Anyways, it's not an encasement protector, I don't think. This is from the same maker. We just got this Lucid mattress. It's a gel memory foam, and here's a protector that goes around your whole mattress to protect from bed bugs, dust mites, allergens, and liquids. And this is 100% polyester and 100% polyurethane. Can't be 200%. So the surface is polyester, the backing is polyurethane. I was going to say 100% and 100%, that's 200%. It's a little much there. Okay, so 15-year limited warranty. And what Lucid has, they have bed frames and mattresses and stuff like that. Okay. So, here it is. And basically this is just going to go around the entire mattress and protect it. Let's see, care instructions. Machine wash hot and do not bleach and tumble dry low. No ironing. Do not dry clean. So wash hot and tumble dry low. So that's the cover there. And let's see. I believe the zipper goes most of the way around. It might be a little difficult to get this on here. We're going to wash this first before we put it on. But it has a zipper here that goes around. Put it over your mattress and then zip it back up there. And that should afford some protection against those various things. If you spend quite a bit of money on a mattress, you want to make sure it's protected. And this is made by the same company, so it should fit nicely as well as offer some decent protection for your investment. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I'll do maybe a little water demonstration and stuff on it when I get this thing on there, and as well how to put it on the mattress, but we're going to go wash it first, so we're just doing an unboxing right now, and we'll see you next time. If you guys want to check this out, I'll leave a link in the description below. I think it runs about $15 to $20 on Amazon. So thanks for watching this video. Everyone have a great day.